walang pagbabago sa kanya mga statement, pero alam, Attorney Jesse, Yusek, yung kanyang statement napakamatibay kasi personal knowledge yung pinag-uusapan natin dito, di ba? Siya mismo ang sinasabi niyang nag-abot.
Tama po yan. Yan po ang sinasabi kong mga important requisites for you to be qualified dahil absolute necessity of the testimony, corroborated at material point. Yung iba pong nilalahad niya, wala ho kami pagkukuhanan ng ebidensya kung hindi niya pananatilihin yung kanyang testimonya na yun.
Okay.
Kaya it's part of the consideration, but there's no final thing here.
Okay.
Even the Vizcayas are offering some testimony. Hindi po totoo, just to clarify, Ted, hindi po totoo na tinatanggal namin ang posibilidad na makonsider ang Vizcayas as state witness. The door is open. Pero the reality is they have not actually filed any written application for admission to the WPP. Naririnig po natin yan sa media, pero wala naman po silang ginagawang actual. At kung sila po ay pumunta sa tanggapan ng WPP through their lawyer, and they get the requirements, and they give their testimony, and we can continue to collaborate with them, posible po, because we are not closing the door on anybody, because the ultimate objective is to get to the bottom of the truth. If their testimony will be essential, then we will consider them for evaluation as state witness. Wala pong sarado.
Opo. Ito pong si Hernandez, si Alcantara at si Bernardo o si Mendoza, meron na ba silang actual na aplikasyon sa WPP?
Yan po meron. Si Henry Alcantara, formally nag-apply po. Si Bryce Hernandez and JP Mendoza, meron na po sila.
Opo.
At we are presently evaluating it. And the good news is, maybe you are the first one to know about this, that they are already willing to return part of the funds that they have gotten because of this kickbacks from the anomalous flood control project. Yan po, malaking hakbang po yun para sa amin. Dahil how can we have any cooperation with someone who wants to get out of the hook but without retribution and without reparation? Kailangan po, dalawang bagay magsabay. Aminin yung pagkakasala nyo at ayusin nyo yung pagkakamali sa pamamagitan ng pagsuoli ng pera. And the substantial funds will be returned by these witnesses in due time as long as we continue to process their application as protected witness.
Opo. Si Ginoong Bernardo, mayroon na hubang formal na aplikasyon sa WPP?
Meron din po.
Mga kapatid, brothers and sisters, saan ka pa? Dito na tayo sa totoo. Dito na tayo sa True FM.
Mga kapatid, mag-subscribe and follow po kayo sa social media accounts ng True Network PH. Yan po kami. Hanapin nyo lang True Network PH, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and podcast. Mapa Apple or Spotify man yan, mahahanap nyo kami. Lahat ng mga napapanood at napapakinggan nyo po sa programa, nasa social media accounts namin yan. So, paano mga kapatid? See you sa social media!